Hey everyone! In this upcoming video, I'll demonstrate the effortless way to launch your personal affiliate marketing venture and receive payments within a mere 24 hours. Rest assured, this approach is far simpler than you might anticipate. All you require is a functional device and a reliable internet connection. Ensure you watch this video attentively and diligently follow each step. You'll soon find yourself on the path to earning substantial profits through affiliate marketing. Now, if you're eager to begin, let's dive right in. Step 1. Begin by visiting the affiliate program offered by American Golf. Affiliate marketing is an incredible online money-making method that revolves around promoting other individuals' products or services and earning a commission for every successful sale you generate. American Golf holds a prominent position in the UK as the ultimate destination for all golf enthusiasts. With their extensive experience since 1978, they have emerged as a dominant force in the European golf retail industry. With over 100 stores spanning across the UK and Ireland, their commitment to excellence is unquestionable. Moreover, American Golf has also established a remarkable online presence through their impressive website, americangolf.co.uk. Golfers can conveniently access top-notch equipment and accessories from the comfort of their own homes. By becoming a member of their affiliate program, you'll earn a substantial 6% commission on every sale you generate. What's even better is that your referral cookies remain active for an entire 30 days. So, even if someone clicks on your affiliate link and takes their time to make a purchase, you'll still receive your well-deserved compensation. That's a fantastic opportunity to earn significant income. American Golf is dedicated to supporting your success in the affiliate marketing arena. They provide you with up-to-date product feeds, creative resources, eye-catching banners, and regular deals to keep things fresh and captivating. They genuinely want you to thrive, equipping you with all the necessary tools to excel in the affiliate game. Step 2. Enroll in the American Golf Affiliate Program. Now that you have a clear understanding of what the American Golf Affiliate Program entails, let's proceed to Step 2, the registration process. To begin, launch your preferred web browser and conduct a simple search for the American Golf Affiliate Program. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the webpage, scroll down until you spot a conspicuous blue button labeled Join Now. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign-up form. Take a moment to fill out the form with your personal information and ensure that you carefully review and accept the terms and conditions to complete the registration procedure. Upon receiving an email confirming your acceptance into the program, you will gain access to your dedicated affiliate dashboard. This is where the exciting part unfolds. Inside the dashboard, you'll discover your unique affiliate referral link, which you can conveniently copy and share with your audience to promote American Golf and earn enticing commissions. Step 3. Utilize Mixo to craft a captivating landing page. Now let me guide you through the process of creating an exceptional landing page specifically tailored for promoting American Golf. Here's the exciting part. We have an incredible tool at our disposal called Mixo, which will empower you to effortlessly design professional-looking landing pages. It's like having an eye-powered assistant that handles all the challenging aspects for you. To embark on this journey, visit Mixo. Come or conveniently click on the link provided in the video description. This will take you directly to Mixo's website, where the magic happens. Using Mixo is easy. Simply enter your startup idea. In this case, let's go with American Golf and witness the remarkable capabilities of Mixo as it works its magic, generating a stunning landing page for you. Rest assured, the page will incorporate all the necessary elements to make it visually appealing, including eye-catching images that enhance its overall appearance. However, the true value lies in Mixo's optimization for conversion. This means the landing page is specifically designed to drive potential customers to swiftly make purchases of American Golf products. It's faster than you can say golf. Starting off on the right foot is of utmost importance, and Mixo ensures you're well positioned for success. Of course, you have the flexibility to add your personal touch and make adjustments to the page. The beauty of Mixo lies in its user-friendly nature, allowing you to create a fabulous landing page without requiring extensive technical expertise. Step 4. Incorporate your affiliate link into the landing page. While utilizing Mixo to craft your landing page, it's vital to strategically position your affiliate link within the content. The objective is to make it easily noticeable to visitors and entice them to click on it. After all, our aim is to generate those valuable sales, right? Consider enhancing its visual appeal by experimenting with different fonts or colors that catch the eye. You can even create a captivating call to action. Let's make it stand out. However, it's not solely about aesthetics. Ensuring that your link functions seamlessly is of utmost importance. The last thing we want is to miss out on potential sales due to a troublesome broken link. So here's what you need to do. Put it to the test. It's as simple as clicking on the link yourself and verifying that it redirects you to the correct product page. If it does, you're good to go. Step 5. Generate traffic for your landing page. After successfully creating your compelling landing page and incorporating your affiliate link, the next crucial step is to drive traffic to your page. Without visitors, there won't be any sales or commissions to be earned. This is where Propeller Ads becomes invaluable. Propeller Ads is a website that offers you the opportunity to advertise your landing page to a wider audience at no cost. By leveraging Propeller Ads, you can attract more visitors and significantly increase the traffic flowing to your landing page. First and foremost, you need to sign up for an account with Propeller Ads. Once that's taken care of, it's time to create your ad campaign. Now, here's the secret to a successful ad campaign: targeting options. It's crucial to ensure that your ads reach the right people who are most likely to be interested in your product. Select the targeting options that align with your product and target audience. This way, your ads will be displayed to the right individuals, thereby increasing your chances of earning those desirable commissions. When it comes to ad formats, Propeller Ads has got you covered with a wide range of options. Whether it's banner ads, pop-under ads, push notifications, or more, feel free to experiment and try different formats to determine what works best for your product and audience. Driving more traffic to your landing page translates to more opportunities for sales and commission earnings. Now let's focus on creating attention-grabbing ads. InVideo will be your best friend in this endeavor. It's a user-friendly tool that simplifies the creation of professional-looking ads. Begin by selecting a template that aligns with the style and tone of your product. Customize the template to make it uniquely yours. Add captivating text, compelling images, or even engaging videos. Don't forget to play around with colors and fonts to ensure your branding shines through. To make your ads truly stand out, aim for bold headlines and striking visuals that elicit a "whoa, what's this all about?" reaction. Keep the content concise and impactful, as you only have a few seconds to make a lasting impression. Once you've crafted your masterpiece within InVideo, it's time to run your ads and drive traffic to your landing page. Simply return to Propeller Ads, choose the ad format that appeals to you, upload your ad, and set your targeting options. Voila! You're all set, and here's the best part: real-time performance tracking. You can closely monitor the number of clicks your ad receives and the conversions happening on your landing page. Utilize this data to fine-tune and enhance your ad campaign, and watch as the results improve over time. Running ads is a powerful way to amplify your traffic and start earning those coveted commissions. With InVideo for creating impactful ads and Propeller Ads for targeting your audience, you're well on your way to making significant profits through affiliate marketing. That concludes today's video. If you found this content enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insights on making money online. Remember to click the notification bell to stay updated on new videos, and please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. See you all next time.